We can create a calculated field easily by, again, going on our worksheet up on the top left and hitting the drop down. Click on Create Calculated Field. We want to give it a name, and here we're going to use profit ratio. And then we need to enter a code. Tableau will help you. You need to remember the basics. Typically, we will use sum. So here we're going to start with typing sum, SU, and it suggests sum. So I'm going to hit enter, and it gives me the 2 parentheses I need. But I want to use brackets. So I'm going to type in a bracket and start typing PRO, and there's my field. I'll just double click that to enter it. So that's the first part of my equation. We want to divide that using a slash by the sum and hit enter again. There's my 2 parentheses, my bracket, and we're going to divide this by sales, SAL. There's the field I want. Double click, and we're told the calculation is valid, so we click OK. And we can see down here in our measures, we have a new field, a measurement field, profit ratio.